Hey, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in with today's poster. Wanted to know how to introduce all your assets into one project. So basically, we're going to start with starting a new project. Here I have three pictures, an empty table, a computer, and a coffee cup. So basically, we want to put those all together. So when you're creating something, all you got to do is just drag it right in and it automatically opens up a new tab. So that's the only tab that's open here is this table. Right up here you have your tabs that'll line up as you drag more of them in. Then let's open up a new tab, or as Adobe Elements considers it a new project, the computer. I'm going to drag that right in and it opens up a new tab right here. I'll do the same thing with the coffee cup. The coffee cup is a PNG, so it'll be really easy. So I just drag it in. And there's a third one. So there's the coffee cup, here's the computer, and here's the tabletop. How do we introduce them all to each other? Basically, I'm going to zoom in here like this where I want them to go. And let's go to the second one here. This is the computer tab. Okay, so let's work on the computer before we take it into the table. I'm going to go back to the computer here. In this particular case, I want to unlock the photo so that I can start working on it. I'm going to grab the magic tool and let's just pick something, I don't know, like maybe about 10%, because I see some of this white is pretty close to the background, so I want to do a low tolerance. Click it here and click delete. Basically what that does is it turns the photo into more like a PNG. Literally just grab it with the left mouse button and drag it up towards the first tab up here, which is the original picture of the table. It automatically turns over there. I'm still holding the left mouse button. As soon as I let go, it pops right into that picture. Now I can just simply resize it, and it's just like a PNG. Let's go ahead and position it down here. So we like that. Finally, we want to take the coffee cup tab and take that coffee cup with the left mouse button, holding it down, drag it up into the first tab once again. I'm going to drop it over here and let go of the mouse button, and there's our coffee cup. Let's put the coffee cup in front of the computer by dragging the layer to the top, and you'll see it pops up to the front. All I got to do is grab the little corner, resize the coffee cup to what we think might be the right size, and now I got myself a computer on a table with a coffee cup. There are three separate assets, the background being one, the computer being the second, and the coffee cup being the third. I'll try to explain the layers concept here. If you see this photo, it's made up of three distinct layers. Layer number one, or the top layer, has only the coffee cup on it, as you can see as I toggle it on and off here. Layer two is the middle layer. This layer includes only the PC on it, as seen here. And finally, layer 3 has the background that includes the table as well. You can put these in any order you want, but it will affect what you see in the end. So make sure you got the layers in the proper order. Think of it as three sheets of translucent plastic with each sheet showing only one portion of your image. When turned on its side, like a stack of paper, you can see where each layer stands on its own. The top layer, number 1, has only the coffee cup. The middle layer, number 2, has the PC. And the bottom layer contains the background and the table. All put together, they equal one composite photo. That's all there is to it. This is Rich calling it quits for this tutorial, saying over and out.